Hey guys, Sodor Wooden Adventures here to give you my Thomas Wooden Railway layout for season 1 of my series. Just a quick overview of the layout. I'll go full into detail at Tidmouth Sheds. As you can see, it's Tidmouth Sheds, and I've added 2 extra sheds for Edward and Emily. You got some sidings here. Take it off to this track, the bend. Further along, you come to the Sodor Airport. There's a few houses there and the control tower over there. Then we come to this set of track. Comes around up to Knapford Station. Continuing on this track, comes to a set of points where they both connect up to Knapford Station. Keep going along the track, and then there's the water tower. Come around this bend, and then there's the signal box. Now we come to another set of buffers. Take along this track. You got the Sodor honey factory. And then you just got the Duke's and Duchess's house. And you come to another set of points where this goes off to Gordon's Hill, and this goes off to another track. The end of these points, that track wraps around back to Knapford Station. Coming back down the line back to the set of points, you see a windmill, and next to that is the Farmer McColl's farm. You got another set of points here that leads back up to the points next to the windmill. Keep going, and then you got another set of points, and this leads off to the Sodor timber factory. Keep going, and then you have another set of points, and it's the Sodor hospital. Take the track from the Sodor hospital, come all the way up to another set of points, up a hill to the viaduct bridge. That goes around all the way around to where the main line is. I'll go into further detail about that later. Coming back from the viaduct, back to the set of points, come around to where the windmill is, and this comes all the way back down to Farmer McColl's farm. Back to the point at the end of Farmer McColl's farm, and we go up the Sodor Bay Bridge. Come down to the lighthouse near the beach. Now we come into Bredman Docks. Here, and then we come to 2 set of points. The first one goes off into the other set of points where you go into a siding where engines will collect cargo. Coming back, the other set of points goes up to the works. And onto the other line, this goes straight through the works, comes under the Sodor Bay Bridge, wraps around to the Sodor Steamworks, coming back through the works. And this track that leads to the works comes out to, well, you could call it a yard if you want to, but here the engines pick up the trucks from Bredman Docks. The furthest siding has the coal depot, The other ones are just 3 sidings. Coming out of the yards, come around the bend to a set of points. Going back down from these set of points, Sodor scrapyard. Come down to these set of points, to another set of points, and there's a siding, 2 sidings. Back to the first set of points that lead off to the engine shed. And you got Cranky the crane. Back to the set of points to the yard. Then you got a bridge that goes over to these set of points, which lead off to Walsworth Station. These set off to 2 separate areas, and the first one goes to the Sodor Hospital, coming back, and this one goes up around the bridge, come all the way down, and this track goes under the bridge and goes all the way along up to another bridge, and that leads all the way back to Knapford Station. The track next to that goes all the way back down and connects to the set of points that connects to the bridge line. Now over here we have Gordon's Hill, which starts from the points all the way at the end of Knapford Station. First one comes under the viaduct bridge, all the way down, around, up to Gordon's Hill, is down the line back to the set of points. There you have it, guys. Here is my Season 1 layout video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and look out for my collection video.